MX650, hit a long wheelie, give myself a 30-day challenge. Now you can't see me, bustin' sit down, balance wheelies, high speed in front of the police, raising MX650. Now you can't see me. Ha, 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 ha. Raising MX650, yeah you can't see me, bustin' long ass wheelies, up and down the avenues, getting high speed from the police, raising 650. Now you can't see me. Ha ha ha. Raising M650, hitting long wheelies, get myself a 30-day challenge. Now you can't see me, bustin' sit down, balance wheelies, high speed in front of the police, raising MX650. Now you can't see me. Raising MX650, yeah you can't see me, bustin' long ass wheelies, up and down the.
This day 30 of the Wheelie challenge, and we made it. It been 4 weeks, and we made it to the end, people. That's why I be telling y'all, set goals, and what you do, you accomplish your goal. This day 30, man. 4 weeks, 30 days, a whole month, and we here today. And what we doing today, for the last day, we gonna see how far we could wheelie this blue thing right here, man. We gonna see how far we came, man. Huh? We gonna see how far we can wheelie this blue thing, and we about to take this right out right now. We fully charged 80%, and we about to wheelie this thing a whole block, man. Huh? Y'all with me? So let's do it. Day 30. I'm trying to get it all the way down this block. That was my 30-day goal, and we about to start right now. The whole block. 30 days. I made it the whole block, man. You know what I'm saying? So our next challenge is gonna be doing knee knockers. So that's our next thing that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be doing knee knockers next. So we're gonna do like 20 days of knee knockers, and our challenge gonna be to be able to do a knee knocker the whole block again, from my house to the end of the corner. Feel me? And we did it. We completed our challenge, our 30-day wheeling challenge, and we did it, man. And I'm out.